We're here to say, come on, let's protest it. 1 year old, we're going. That's Hello, thank you. We have a fact. Thank you. Producers and our producers, movie producers now. Now thousands of years not an appearance to do by spend money. This time my world. Shut up, let's say your first producers, your first PS. But, and you. DJ, thank you. And you. Let us tell the world. The comments are on us. Let us tell the world. See, I am so humbly proud of the gentlemen that are behind me. You know why? Tell me about it. The why is that, see, this is, oh my God, you see, and you, the beauty of the film industry is that we learn on the job, and we're proud of what we're doing. You understand? And then when we learn on the job, we equally do it like the people who study the books do it. You understand? And for that reason, we are proud of who we are. This is a sacred for you. This is Kumawul for you. We are proud of who we have as our producers. And ladies and gentlemen, let us give them a round of applause. You know the reason why I'm asking us to clap for them? Because some of them grew between the lines. And for that reason, I am so fucking proud of them. Let me tell you, the sad thing is that I didn't even know. I didn't even know that some of them have grown to be producers. But to God be the glory. We have them here as producers. So by God's grace, we're going to listen to them. We're going to give them the applause. And then we're going to say that we appreciate what they've done for us so far. And that we are expecting better from them. Master, Joe microphone. Absolutely. Thank you very much, Bella Samoa. And of course, your co-producers are someone like Bella Samoa, the likes of Lowen, the likes of Kwekumenu. The people you love were almost created, or gave the platform, were given the platform by these people you don't see on the screens. And to Wemo are the real MVPs. It's what all Momo and Sembe Pray, Emma Monomaya dear. It is our prayer with Akasamuno and also Emma Yenya Sami, one of our topmost producers ever come out in industry. Hello. Meda Yenya Bema Bella Samoa Sipa. Baby, I had Bruce Wee, I am very important. Kumawood app, no. Yenya Numa, a more Ejina Hay, and Omodi Omomovis, Abe Guso. Baby, we have Baby Antimiama. na movies a motion bebe wo Ghana ne nyina na se app no so nyina no ye nuanom na eye omode a I can't be me have been always go my friend said 3 months bia no kuma wood app ne buy no sika bia beba so bia sebe 1 Ghana cedi na wo de hwe no almost sika mo de produce movie no sa 1 Ghana cedi no ye che de ma ye nuanom sebe ya de bia mbekọ so no ma produce but you better say every 3 months bia no ye de almost sika ne bria wo mo na wo hwe boto ya e wa ya wan hwe abaka se e boto kwa but sabe ye nuanom akonfontin na ye pese but e boto bia mo duru pa naka asasenka enkayache ade obia envelope se ne nsam but security for also wa hapa no omusika de enie envelope na different oh yawo ebi se ngrofo bi nu de omuka on hwa na oma abaye pacho kuni ba Rekra me pacho envelope no rekra me sa de sani na for security reasons nti ye chama wo mo ha yema producers security for no agade ye omba gade ye se ba ya obia etini attempt my way na ye do makọ baabi akọje sika na mo ba ye pese mo se mo boy ehwe app no sika na eba so no enko baabi a se eba ye nuanem eho
me pancho me did the Cardinal Bernard, CEO of Beketu Ventures.
It's the team. The company name the Team Ventures.
Pancho Dindi Richard, the company name Pleasant Film Production. The Pancho FM Hollywood Production. Some other players, some powerful films. Medidi na naye waje ni boate ma odedi the companies Beketu any pam you know and product. Yes, Medidi Jackson Kevin team. In team 5 pictures.
You know, Ben Robert, who from that 2 Amejo so the production, no and the best film production, and it's our drama, and it's our account TV, and the BBS.
I was before your friend Richard Sapa there. The one from me also the body talapia. The production, yeah, big boy production, yeah. I was for a from evangelist Charles Opoku.com. The production name is Charles Beck Production.
I'm Jeff from Isaiah Kofiapia. Production name is Unity Media.
Oh, someone na ya de pa eje
All right, we some baby na we mu na oba boy ma industry no edru baby a edru. Now talking about industry no baby a edru.
How dare you? The name is all about come up and into nearby a say a Benjamin, but except for you, I will fool. My son, I'm already. And I remember Mamma Baba. I'm only the room. As maybe me feeling now. I say, I am a name is Venomous.
Thank you.
Maybe a rasta. Who's the let's go? Rasta somewhere. Come let me show you. Okay, that's how you are. Why are you because we're drawing you is not easy. What is your drawing easy? Many depends on what can send me. What's the one patata? What's the one patata? Cecilia. I remember. Let's take it back. Yes. Back in the day, sir. African insulting somebody. Somebody which man face to insult that person. That's right. Until Patapao comes. Everybody insult my name to insult somebody. Use Patapao to accept to insult somebody. So okay, hold on. Okay, so before Lowen goes, we told you that we're going to be giving out this phone. Lowen, this is what we're going to be doing. Whilst you're doing the presentation, we're going to be giving out this phone, Samsung Galaxy J3. Samsung Galaxy J3 way. Yeah, they buy the check. It's low in way. You remember on the check. But condition back home. Condition is say, you better pledge. Pledge me on your book. You better PM. What it's me recited pledge, you know. Now you take phone, you know, at your mouth. And I could do it, say. I can't tell you. Okay, this is Ricky. Surprise or her. But pledge me my sincere. Remember, I want to have to now we take pledge, no. What are you doing?
On the School app, 1 year anniversary to watch all local movies on the School app. I promise to.
I can't pledge, no. Okay, pledge me here. Here the phone way at your mouth. Where is I wear? Okay, on the better. As I go for a yuki. I think I'm going to hold the camera. Me la phone and we're intimate. Okay, so I need one person who has listened to the pledge and can actually recite the pledge verbatim, and I'm going to give this phone to them. And you go. My father, I'm sorry. And one more time.